I do a little unboxing for you, as I bought something. Well, yeah, I bought something and I've been after it for a while now, but I haven't gotten it because I've been good, I've been waiting for the right time. So now that I'm in a good job and good pay, I thought I'd treat myself. So as you guys know, that I have been saying that my Apple Watch has recently been dying really quickly lately and lagging and freezing a lot, so I caved in and I ordered the Apple Watch. I didn't buy it outright, I did it in a way where I can pay for it monthly so that I'm not skint at the end of the month, so I'm doing it like a monthly payment. So this is what it is. They gave me an Apple bag, which I was very excited about. As you guys know, I'm not bragging, I just wanted to do this video because I've been wanting a new watch for a while now, and I was going to wait until the new one come out, but my old one is getting on my nerves. Like I said, it freezes, the battery runs out quickly, and it takes really long to start up. So I thought it was time for a new Apple Watch. So this is the one I've got. It's the Series 4 in the gold colour because I love gold, and so I've been waiting to do this all day. But I was with my fiance today, so he's just left, and I thought I'd cheer myself up because, as you guys know, I've been feeling a bit like ill lately with my head, so I thought I'd cheer myself up. So this is the watch. Don't know if you can see that. No, you can. It says watch on the bottom. So you open it like this. And I thought this would be a good video for my channel. As you guys know, I love to unbox Apple products. So here we go. So these are the two. I think one of them's the strap, one of them's the watch. So it comes in this fancy box. So this is the band. Gold stainless steel pin. And I got the 40ml one because I don't want the 42. One, because the 42 was way too expensive, and I think it's way too big for my short little arms. So, and I've never had a brand new Apple product, my Apple Watch product, because my other watch was pre-owned and I got it at half price. So, and I got it like 2 years ago. So yeah, I think it's time for a new watch. So yeah, there's the bands. So I will be using the small and medium one. So there's that. Obviously in the, oh okay, so that's the instructions. So I got this, there we go. They don't do a rose gold anymore, which is upsetting. See if I can focus on it. Oh, it's focusing. There we go. I got the Series 4 gold aluminium case, 14ml. Just wait for it to get back into screenage. There we go. So, designed by Apple in California. The good old Apple product. So in there you have your instructions, which I don't really need to read, and that, all your Apple stickers. My phone is going off. Oh, okay. So in here you have this pin. So, ow, can't undo it. You have this. Like I said, I've never gotten a new Apple Watch product before. I've gotten like an iPhone, tons of iPhones, but I've never gotten an Apple product that's new. It's all been pre-owned. So there's the new cable. I don't know if it's any different from the old one, but I will probably use the new one for new everything. So there's that one. I don't know what I'm going to do with the old one yet. I might like recycle it or something, trade it in. There's that one. Just the cable. And here is the piece of resistance. So that's, oh, I love this aluminium case. It's beautiful. I've got the GPS one, not the cellular, because it costs more money. So how do I get this out of this little aluminium case? Oh, oh, it's starting up already. And there it is. So what I'll do is I will pop this on and take this off. So I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. It's actually turning on and telling me to do things. So that's what it looks like. I don't even know if this is the right way. Let's have a look. It is the right way. And then my god, this is so weird, because I have on my arm usually the fake version of the, oh, this is a lot more, because I got the fake version of the band. This is the proper band version. So let's get my watch set up, continue. So this is what it's come up with, and we're about to scan it. There we go. Set up this new Apple Watch. I'm going to restore from backup. You know what, I'm just going to set up this new Apple Watch. So, left, grey, sorry guys, and there we go, we're signing in. So, okay. Create a passcode, so I'm going to create a passcode. Use code, re-enter, continue, set up watch later, continue, install all, and there we go. So that was my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would carry on with the setup, but you guys probably know how to set up an Apple Watch. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.